Changing your primary email on AppFolio is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log in. Access your AppFolio account by entering your username and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on it to access your current email settings. Step 4. Update your primary email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, find the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to finalize the update. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary email on AppFolio. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to AppFolio support for assistance.